good morning, children. Hey, how are you today? Good? Okay. Be fine and be happy always, okay? Yes. So, today we are going to study about a story, a pact with the sun. Pact with the sun. Pact means an agreement, okay? What kind of agreement? Let's get to know, okay? Before that, Zakir Hussain, okay? This story is written by Zakir Hussain. Do you know who is Zakir Hussain? He was the third president of India. Okay, he was the third president of India. So let's get to know more about Zakir Hussain. Okay, yes, Zakir Hussain Khan. He was born on 8th February 1897 and 3rd May 1969. Was an Indian economist and politician who served as the third president of India from 13th May 1967 until his death on 3rd May 1969. Okay, till his death he was serving, okay, as president. Okay, then he previously served as governor of Bihar from 1957 to 1962 and as vice president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was also the co-founder of Jamia Millia Islamia, okay, serving as its vice chancellor from 1928. Under Hussain, Jamia became closely associated with the Indian freedom movement. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in India's highest civilian honor in 1963. He was the first Muslim president of India and the first Indian president to die in office. Okay, he was the first president who died in office. Okay, yes, let me tell some more facts. Okay, so he was the third president, I told you. Okay, at that time, okay, do you know who was the prime minister? Indira Gandhi. Okay, then he was second vice president. He was the second vice president from third, then he became president. Okay, so when he was vice president, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our teacher's day, his day. Okay, so when he was president, our Zakir Hussain was vice president. Then he was the fourth governor of Bihar. At that time, do you know who were the chief ministers of Bihar? Yes, let me tell you. Krishna Sinha and C. Deep Narayan Singh. They were the chief ministers. Okay, when he was the governor of Bihar. Then he was born in Hyderabad. Now, do you know where Hyderabad is? Now it is a part of Telangana. At that time, it was under British rule. Then next, he died in New Delhi. Okay, he died in New Delhi at the age of 72. Okay, when he died, his age it was 72 years old. Okay, then he has got Bharat Ratna. Already we told that. Okay, India's highest civilian honor in 1962, and he got one more award. What was that? Padma Vibhushan. Okay, he got one more award. What is that? Okay, that is Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so that much great person he was. Okay, and today we are lucky to study a story of Zakir Hussain. Okay, our third president. Okay, late president. Late means already passed away. Okay, so yes. So this is the story. Okay, Saida's mother, Saida, our character, heroine. Okay, heroine's name is Saida. Okay, Saida's mother had been unwell, means she was sick. Okay, for a long time. She complained of cough, fever, and joint pains. Okay, she had a problem. What was the problems? Diseases: cough, fever, and joint pains. Okay, joint pain means a joint. This is the joint. Okay, they are all pain. Okay, yeah. She was treated by so many physicians. Physicians means they only give medication, not surgery. Okay, so physicians. Okay, maybe it is a Ayurvedic physician or that homeo. Anyway, so they were all okay. She was treated by all physicians. Okay, so many physicians, but she could not get over her sickness. Still, she was sick only. Then one problem was followed by another. Okay, when they all treated her. Okay, so one problem will get off. Okay, suppose that cough, it was getting down. Okay, at that time another disease, okay, it was there, like that. Okay, so she was kept in a small room with the door and windows closed. Okay, so the all physicians, they prescribed her to be in a closed room. Okay, and not only and even don't have proper food. Okay, then she could not get cool fresh air and warm sunshine. Okay, so she was not allowed to get this cool fresh air and warm sunshine. Then next, Yes, when we take this Ayurvedic and homeo, we have to take care of some things. Okay, we don't have like a non-veg, or we don't have to get that English medicine, or that some other type of, okay. So, and even coffee we cannot have, okay, when we take this homeo medicine. So that kind of prescriptions, okay, that strict rules are there whenever we take that kind of medicines. Okay, then her condition became critical. Okay, because even though she was treated by many doctors, physicians, her condition became critical, very pathetic. Okay, she was too poor to consult a specialist. Okay, there was no money with them. Okay, Saida and her mother to consult a doctor. Okay, then but life after all is more precious than money. Okay, yes, we know that we life is important for us. Okay, more than money. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Okay, whenever I say future you will get any kind of job, okay, I say to you that it's your wish. Okay, you can choose any profession as you wish. Okay, but you have to give importance for your life also, your family. Okay, so after that, whenever you get a job, okay, you get married and you may get children. Okay, so you have to take care of them. Okay, I'm not saying you to don't give important to job. Okay, that also you have to give by sides. Okay, but whenever you are in your life, okay, personal life, don't take that professional things inside that. Okay, and then when you are professional, suppose that yeah, when you come to school, okay, that when the teachers, or when you go to that suppose that you are doctor. Okay, when you are in a hospital, then don't think anything about your personal things. Okay, at that time you should be a professional, but when you are at home, at that time you should be in your personal life. Okay, don't take much stress or struggle from the profession. Okay, like that. So that kind of job you can choose. Okay, it's my suggestion. It's up to you. You can take it or you can reject it. Okay. uh, yes, as here told, okay, for us life is better than money. Okay, money we can earn later also whenever we get well with that. Okay, but if we don't have proper health after we got all money, then that's just all waste of time and all. Okay, so you have to enjoy. Don't be greedy. Okay, don't go after this money. Okay. You have to enjoy your life with whatever you have. Be happy with that. Okay, yes. Next step. But okay, yes, prescribed. Okay, so yes, so she sold off her ornaments. Okay, ornaments means that bangles, then earring, okay, whatever, then necklace, whatever. She sold all to pay the doctor's fees. He prescribed. Okay, then the doctor came. He prescribed some medicines. Okay, then but he advised the old lady to shift to a bigger room. Till that time she was in a closed room. Okay, closed room. Okay, so this doctor prescribed her to change to a bigger room. Keep her doors and windows open. Okay, that no doors or no windows should be closed. Okay, should be opened, and spent an hour every morning in the courtyard. Okay, till that time she was not allowed to get sunshine or cool breeze, cool air, but this doctor prescribed her to take the cool air and warm sunshine. Okay, warm means not that much hot. Okay, which is comfortable for our body, which we can accept that much hot. Okay, that is warm. Yes, so in the courtyard she needed sunshine and fresh air as much as medicines. Okay, then she acted on the doctor's advice. Okay, so as per the doctor's advice, okay, because till that time whatever the other physician said, she did all, then there was no result. Then okay, let me do follow this prescription also, as the doctor said. Because she at any cost she wanted to get rid of this disease and all the things. Okay, she wanted to get back to her proper life. Then it so happened that the clouds hid the sun in the sky. Okay, so that happened. She shifted to that bigger room, and even she started to take sunshine and all, sunlight, warm, hot, and all the things. Okay, but what happened? Clouds hid the sun in the sky. Okay, when she wanted to get the sunlight, okay, the clouds, clouds hid means the past tense of hide. Okay, hid the sun in the sky. Okay, it happened so for 2 more days. Okay, it's happened So for 2 more days, oh my God, okay. Then Saida, the little girl, okay, our heroine, okay, was worried, okay. She was worried, okay. Oh my God, if my mother doesn't get that sunlight, she will not get well, okay. So she wanted this sunlight, okay. Then in her secret language, she talked to the rays of the sun to help her mother with the warmth. I told you, okay, warmth and brightness, okay. So she told her, oh please sun rays, please come down, please help my mother, she is so poor, okay, if you come here only she will get well, like that, okay, she told. Then in her language, okay. Then for the warmth and brightness, her prayer was granted, okay. They accepted her prayer, okay. Who? The sun rays means the sunlight, okay, sun rays, okay, yes. Next day, the sun rays got ready to go down to the earth, okay. Then okay, as they okay, that was the agreement, they will, okay, that time it was clouds and all the things, so they agreed her, okay. But there was a little light, okay, here somewhere, okay. So she took her mother to there, but that also faded, okay. Faded means there was, okay, it became shadow and all the things, okay, there was no light. Then dull, faded means dull, okay. Yeah, there's a song of Alan Walker, Faded, okay. How many of you have listened that song, Faded? Okay. Then so faded means dull, became dull, okay. Then means there was no sunlight, okay. Then she told to that sun rays, okay, who came to the earth, okay, that she wanted this sun rays for her mother. So they agreed that next day they would come, okay. The next day they would come, okay. Then as they agreed to her, they started to go to the earth next day, but their father, the sun, asked them to cancel their journey, okay. But their father, sun asked them to cancel the journey, don't go there, okay. The clouds were thick, okay. The clouds were thick, dark and dirty, okay. Clouds were thick, okay, you cannot go down, okay, don't go. Then even dark and dirty, okay. But the race staged revolt, okay. Staged means yes, planned or prepared to a revolt means to put to fight, okay. They were ready to fight against the clouds, okay. So they planned to fight against the clouds. They made their way through the thick clouds, okay. They entered through the thick clouds, okay, and reached the old lady's bed, okay. Then later, with of that revolution and fight with the clouds, okay, they reached the bed of the lady, who Saida's mother. She felt the warm sun on her body after a long time. Till that time she was in a closed room, there was no light, nothing, no even cool air. But at that time she got first time, okay, that's the first time she got fresh air, okay. Then sunlight, body, that sunlight, warm sun, okay, on her body. She breathed in fresh air, okay. Till that time she was in a closed room, there was no fresh air, but when she came out, she breathed the fresh air from the trees and all the things, okay. We know that trees give us oxygen, okay, that is the fresh air for us, okay. If nowadays pollution is going on, okay, noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, even soil pollution, so we don't get proper fresh air. Even you know that in Delhi, I have seen that, okay. It's like we know that hills are there here, okay. That like that as the same size of a hill, there's a heap of waste, and that's because there's no fresh air nowadays. Even they started like water, you know that for the water can, okay, 20 rupees. Now they started to sell the air there, okay, back the air, okay. So that much condition situation is there in Delhi nowadays, okay. Anyway, as Kejriwal changed the government and all the things, we hope that he will change that, he will find a solution for this problem also. Anyway, hopefully waiting for that. Yes. Yes, to be frank, I can tell you, I like Kejriwal. I want such rulers everywhere as chief minister, even as our that rulers that of our country, okay. Not for each that state, even for the country also, we need such kind of ruler, okay. Yes. So and reached the old lady's bed, okay. She felt the warm, okay. Then she felt fresh, strong and well, okay. So whenever she got this warm sunlight and cool fresh air, cool air, she felt fresh and strong and well. She recovered fully in a few days. Within a few days, then she became healthy, okay, well. So that's the story. Did you understand? Any doubt is there? No? Okay. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now, next question answers. What did the physicians ask Saida's mother to do to get well? Did their advice help her? If not, why? Then next, what did the specialist prescribe in addition to medicine? Then, what did Saida tell the sunrise to do? Next, why were the sunrays keen to go down to the earth the next day? So these are the answers. First, go to the answers, then we will discuss the other part. Okay. The physicians advised Saida's mother not to take normal foods and to remain shut in a small dark room. Next, the specialist prescribed some effective but costly medicines. He told her to eat chapati, vegetables, milk, fruits, etc. He asked her to shift to a bigger room with windows and doors open. Above all, she should sit in the sun every morning for an hour and breathe in fresh air. Then next, Saida made a special request to the sunrays to help her mother get well. She asked them to come the next day with lots of warmth and brightness. Then fourth one, the sunrays had promised to help Saida. They had made a pact means agreement with her that they would bring down warmth and brightness. So they were keen to go. Keen means very interested, curious, okay, to go down to the earth the next day. They forced their way through the dark, dirty clouds. Okay, that's the answer. Then next, what is your own formula for keeping good health? Okay, so then next, who would you recommend to a patient in your neighborhood? The physicians contacted first, or the specialist contacted next. Give reasons for your choice. Okay. Then next, when would you make a pact with the sun? Okay. Then when you are going on a picnic, or when you are playing a cricket match, think of other occasions. Okay, so first one is a homework for you, next two are assignment for you. First one, what is your own formula for keeping good health? Okay, that's a homework for you. Next one, who would you recommend to a patient to your neighborhood? Okay, in your neighborhood there might have a patient. Okay, first physicians contacted and means consulted, then later specialist consulted them. Okay, that kind of patient. Okay, you can write about them. Okay, give reasons for your choice. Okay, so that's an assignment for you. You can find. Okay. Don't ask that whether you are like that. Okay, don't go ask negative questions. Okay, just inquire with your parents or some other people, friends. Okay, so they can tell you, okay, about them. Okay, assignment. That's an assignment for you, 1 week time. Okay. And next, one more is there, when would you make a pact with the sun? Okay, when that moment when you made an agreement with the sun. Okay, you also might have made an agreement with. Okay, when you are going on a picnic. Okay, whether when you went for a picnic, or whether you were playing the cricket match. Okay, when you went for the picnic. Okay, at that time you might. Okay, so we know that when we want to go for a picnic, we don't want rain. Okay, we want it to be that clear sky. Okay, at that time you might have asked the sunrise, oh please don't let it be rain. Okay, please it should be a clear sunny day, like that. Okay, there might have an agreement. And otherwise, when you wanted to play cricket. Okay, so you didn't want so too hot. If it's too hot, you will get tired. Okay, at that time you might have made an agreement that, okay, don't make it so hot today. Okay, I want to play cricket, like that. Okay, so that kind of agreement. Then think of other occasion, any other occasion also, apart from these two occasions, any other occasion also you can think. Okay, and you can write about that. That's also an assignment. Okay, That for that also you will have one time, okay, 1 week time, okay. Mm. Okay. Oh, okay, no problem. This assignment, okay, the second one I will give you by tomorrow. Okay, so you will get one more day. Okay. Okay. So yes. So that's all. Many thanks for listening today's section. We will meet tomorrow with another section. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Okay. Then before winding up, okay, before closing, let me tell you one more thing. Okay, have you seen that many things yesterday? Thanks ever like that different types. Okay, have you noted it down? If you haven't noted it down yet, you can do it now. Okay, then another thing that I told you today, have a wonderful day. Yesterday it was have a beautiful day, like that. Okay, how to wish day, okay, to others. Okay, so these are all also other things you can write down. Then in the beginning, how to start, how to ask how are you, what's up, okay, like that, different ways. Have you noted that down? I think you have. Okay, anyway, so note it down all these things, okay, which will be helpful for your future life. Okay, yes, so that's all. Bye bye, enjoy your day. Okay.